We're going to record all the animal sounds you make. Okay? Okay. Okay. Now let's start. We'll start with a horse. Okay. How about eagle? Okay. How about lion? How about elephant? How about hen? How about a parrot? Okay. How about a snake? And how about monkey? Okay. How about rabbit? What about frog? How? Can you make the sound of a train? Okay. What about mammoth? Your favorite thing, favorite animal? Okay. And can you do the sound of